Did you know that Genghis Khan died while planning to execute his own son? Yochi was the eldest son of the most feared conqueror in history, but their relationship was poisoned from the start. Rumors swirled that Yochi wasn't even Genghis Khan's real son, that his mother had been pregnant by a captor before her rescue. As the Mongol Empire grew, the tension exploded. When Genghis Khan ordered the massive invasion of the Khwarezmid Empire, Yochi did the unthinkable. He openly refused to join the campaign. But it got worse. Yochi declared he would never inherit the Mongol throne, directly challenging his father's authority in front of the entire empire. Genghis Khan was furious. No one defied the great Khan, not even his own blood. He began planning Jochi's execution for treason, ready to kill his eldest son to preserve his power. Then fate intervened. Genghis Khan died before he could carry out the execution, leaving the succession in chaos. This family feud split the Mongol Empire forever, changing the course of world history.